Exercise 5.3, problem 14, discussion. The vertices of a triangle ABC are A minus 5, 7, B minus 4, minus 5, and C 4, 5. Find the slopes of the altitudes of the triangle. Okay, something very similar to the previous problem. Last time they were asked, they gave us medians. Now this time they are asking us to do it for the altitude. Anyway, first step, draw a simple diagram. So this is A, B, C, and the 3 points are given, right? And what are the altitude? Altitudes are AD, CF, and BE. But the difference here is that altitudes are perpendicular to the sides. So AD is perpendicular to BC, and BE is perpendicular to AC. So all you need to do is that find the slope of BC. Then from that value you can calculate the slope of AD, because the product of the slopes of two lines which are perpendicular to each other is -1. Using that formula, let's say this is M1, that is the slope of BC is M1 and slope of AD is M2. M1 into M2 will be equal to -1. So using that formula you can calculate slope of AD. You can do the same for the other altitudes BE and CF. Okay, this is how the problem will be worked out. Now let's list 3 points are given and we are asked to find the slopes of the altitudes, right? Okay, they have also named it. The 3 points A, B, C are given. We are asked to find the slope of the altitude. So formula is the two-point form, because we know 2 points of the line y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So the steps will be calculate the slopes of AB, BC and AC using the formula m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So first step is that calculate the slope of the 3 sides of the triangle, right? Next step, the slopes of the for altitudes AD, BE and CF can be calculated using m1, m2 equal to -1, where m1 is the slopes of the side and m2 is their altitude. So m1 in this case will be, for this case it will be the slope of BC, and m2 will be the slope of AD. So using this formula you will be able to calculate the slope of the altitudes. Okay, so suppose the slope of this line is 5. The slope of AD will be -1 by 5, because m1, m2 equal to -1. m2 will be equal to -1 by m1. Right, that's all it is. If it is 10, this will be -1 by 10. If this is -10, this will be 1 by 10. Okay, that's all it is. So please pause the video here and try to work this problem on your own. And on completion, please come back and check your working against our solution. Okay, this point, altitudes are perpendicular to the sides of the triangle. I missed it out. Okay, great. Let's get to the solution. The 3 points are given A, B, C. The slope of the line joining 2 points is given by the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. And the product of the slopes of perpendicular line is -1. That is m1, m2 equal to -1. m1 will be equal to -1 by m2. Right. Now first step, find the slope of BC. That is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So 5 minus of -5, that will become 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5 here. Then 4 minus of minus, it will become 4 plus 4. It is given here 4 plus 4. So this is 10 by 8, that is 5 by 4. The slope of AD will be just the inverse of that with a negative sign. So it will be -4 by 5. Right? It's a reciprocal. See, this is what you say. When you say m1, it is a reciprocal of the other slope with a negative sign added to it. So reciprocal of 5 by 4 is 4 by 5, and with a negative sign it is -4 by 5. If you want, you can check, multiply these two, you will get -1. 5 and 5 will cancel, 4 and 4 will cancel, and you will be left with -1. Okay. Similarly, slope of AC. AC is, so this will be y2 minus y1, 5 minus 7 divided by 4 plus 5. Right? 5 minus 7 divided by 4 plus 5, that is -2 by 9. And the slope of BE will be reciprocal of this, the negative reciprocal of this. So it will be 9 by 2, and minus of minus will become plus, so it is 9 by 2, right? Slope of AB is the same formula, that is y2 minus y1, that is minus y minus 7 minus 4 plus 5, right? Minus 5 minus 7 minus 4 plus 5, that is minus 12 divided by 1. So reciprocal of this is 12. 1 by 12, right? So this is minus 12. So this is equal to minus 12, and the reciprocal of this is 1 by 12, right? Thus the slope of the altitudes are minus 4 by 5, 9 by 2, and 1 by 12. Okay, so to recap, all you need to do is that find the slope of the three sides of the triangle, then use the formula, find the reciprocal, negative reciprocal of those slopes will be the slopes of the altitudes. Okay, so I hope I made this problem clear. If not, please take one more look at this video. Thanks for watching this video.